AutoDS versus Tradelle. Which is better for you? Links to both products are provided in the description. In this video, we'll quickly break down the key features of AutoDS and Tradelle, helping you decide which platform best suits your dropshipping needs. AutoDS is designed for those looking for an all-in-one automation tool. It offers product research, automatic order fulfillment, price and stock monitoring, and a vast list of suppliers, making it ideal for sellers who want to scale their business with minimal manual input. Tradelle, on the other hand, caters to those who prefer a more hands-on approach, offering robust analytics, a streamlined product importing process, and flexible pricing strategies. It's perfect for users who want more control over their operations and pricing. AutoDS simplifies the process, saving time and effort, while Tradelle offers depth and customization. Your choice depends on your business model and how much control you want over your dropshipping operations. Both platforms have their strengths, so choose the one that aligns with your specific needs and goals.